Hello, today I want to talk about mission statements. Now, what is Ashbrook Roofing's mission statement? Ashbrook Roofing remains a family-run business whose mission is to inspire, support and deliver our customers' project needs. Well, what does that mean? Well, let's break that down a little bit. We are proud to be an independent, family-run business. Our mission is to inspire our customers through product knowledge and industry knowledge. Our mission is to support our customers by working together and building long-lasting relationships. Our mission is to deliver to our customers consistency, reliability and the value of working with Ashbrook Roofing suppliers. Now, what is the overall meaning of a mission statement? A mission statement is a concise explanation of an organisation's reason for existence. It describes the organisation's purpose and what the overall day-to-day intentions are. The mission statement supports the vision statement and serves to communicate purpose and direction to all employees and customers. Now, thank you for listening to me talking about Ashbrook Roofing's mission statement. Thank you.